Everyone, Gil or Gray Man Prepping. It's been a while since I've shown you my morning exercise routine. Since the last video, I've added the exercise bike, so I'm going to get at it here. I'm going to put it on a time lapse so you don't have to watch a long, slow one. Also, the you watch the time on the clock as it goes. You can see it's about 10 minutes of 6 in the morning, and we're going to get at it here. All right, so that's been looking at the clock over here, about a half hour or so. maybe a couple more minutes. All right, so I did on the Gazelle. It has a quote calorie counter. I do about 100 calories on that one. I did 2.5 kilometers on the bike. I did about 10 minutes on the weight bench, 8-10 minutes. And then I did 10 minutes on the treadmill, did a half mile on the treadmill. And I will repeat this 2 or 3 times a day. Sometimes more on some of it when the grandkids are over here and they're lined up for the treadmill. I'll get on the bike or the Gazelle. Sometimes when they're lined up on the treadmill, another one's lined up on the Gazelle. I'm the only one that uses the bike and the weight bench. So anyway, so that's what I'm doing nowadays. All right. So you get off the couch, start exercising.